Episode 2. Meet the Pigs. What the heck? Somebody help us! It's a pig. Give me all your eggs, birds. Never! Then I will destroy you! Dun, 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 dun. Leave them alone! Go pick on someone your own size! Oh, I really regret saying that. Well, you're my size, so I'll just go pick on you! I don't think so. Yeah! Yeah! You're a hero! Oh, it was nothing. Beating the crap out of that pig, yeah, that's definitely something. Well, thanks, guys, but I'm really tired. I want to go to bed. Alright, goodbye. The next morning, today's gonna be even busier. This time, it's time for training. Alright, I'm all ready to start training. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, 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 bada boom. Boom, 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 bada boom, bam, boom, bada boom. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Done. Oops. Oh well. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment, or you'll get hit with a box.